24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In today's video, we will cover the topic of sound from chapter 5 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover propagation of sound, intensity of sound, noise. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is sound? How sound travels? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise properties of sound. Keep writing their responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what sound is and how it is produced. Tell them how we are able to hear different sounds around us. Ask them to identify some sources of sound in the classroom. Explain to the students with the help of the textbook what propagation of sound is. Tell them how sound travels through different mediums. Ask them to remember the molecular arrangement of solids, gases, and liquids and how sound is propagated. You may conduct an activity for better understanding of the students. Divide them in groups and provide them with spoons and bucket of water. Ask a member to sit a little farther from the rest of the group. Strike 2 spoons together and notice the time sound takes to travel. Then ask a member to strike the spoons under the water and bucket with other members listening close to the surface of the water and notice the time. And finally, ask a member to strike a spoon on one end of the table while other members place their ears on other side of the table and notice the time sound takes to travel. Take a whistle and give it to a student. Tell him or her to blow it softly. Then tell him or her to blow it hard. Ask the rest of the class about what they observed. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain in detail the intensity of sound. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what noise pollution is. Also, explain its harmful effects and ways to control it. Conduct a group discussion in the classroom on the daily effects of noise pollution on students and what they can do about it. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare posters that highlight the problems of noise pollution and how they can be solved. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.